Uncertainty and suspicion within the Kenya Kwanza government continues over the impending cabinet reshuffle, particularly the replacement in the Interior and National Coordination Ministry following the elevation of Professor Kindiki as Deputy President.
Now, President William Ruto is under political pressure to nominate someone from the Mount Kenya region. However, he seems to be buying time to consult widely and avoid any political fallout after the ouster of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua.
As our senior political affairs reporter Chris Thairo details, ODM party is still eyeing another cabinet slot after banking cabinet slots following the incorporation into the broad-based government.
Close to 2 months since Professor Kindiki was appointed Deputy President, President William Ruto is yet to announce the nominee for the powerful Interior Cabinet Secretary position, pointing to the complex balancing act he faces navigating regional and political interests. Among the names floated for the position is former Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, a Nyeri County native just like the ousted Rigathi Gachagua. Kagwe's potential appointment has received backing from the Kikuyu Council of Elders, who during a recent meeting in Nyeri praised his leadership credentials, with Kagwe welcoming the endorsement where he expressed readiness to serve the nation. However, insiders within the presidency argued that the interior docket should be entrusted to someone closer to the president's inner circle, preferably from the Rift Valley region. Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen of Sports and his transport counterpart Davis Chirchir are reportedly among the frontrunners. Additionally, Interior Principal Secretary Raymond Omolo, considered influential in President Ruto's administration, has emerged as another potential candidate. This will definitely mean a mini cabinet reshuffle that is also expected to address the vacant agenda docket, a move likely to rekindle ODM's push for more representation in cabinet. Should the president accede to their demands, ODM will increase its share of cabinet slots to 6, adding to its current positions in energy, cooperatives, treasury, mining and East African community affairs. Reports indicate that ODM leader Raila Odinga may benefit further from the reshuffle, with over 10 principal secretary positions anticipated. The purge will target allies of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, signaling a broader realignment within government ranks. While the exact timing of the reshuffle remains uncertain, sources suggest an announcement could come as early as next week. Chris Thairo, KTN News, Nairobi.
All right, let's